Welcome. In this video I will show you how to prevent the side button of your iPhone from ending the phone call. To enable this feature, you're gonna have to open Settings, then open Accessibility menu and find Touch under Physical and Motor category. Then in Touch Settings, navigate down until you find Prevent Lock to End Call. Switch the toggle to the right next to this feature, and then this way you will prevent the side button from ending the current call. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.